Hi guys, being a foodie, there's something that I never was really fond of. Cooked pineapple. Until I tried this delicious, mouth-watering, juicy grilled pineapple. Welcome to Easy Food with DG with me, Darshan Gokani. Today I'm going to show you how to make grilled pineapple. And for that you need pineapple slices, some olive oil, lime and a bowl of spices. I have red chili powder, garlic powder, onion powder and salt. Let's get grilling. Step 1. Marinate the pineapple. Take your slices, put in your masala. Next, pour in some olive oil. And give it a nice rub. The marinade is now ready. Set aside for 10 minutes before we grill. Turn on your heat source. A little bit of olive oil again. We'll wait for that to heat. Okay. Gently place the pineapple slices. Let it cook for 2 minutes on each side. Let's flip. Ah, look at that! Turn off your heat source and we're ready to serve. Cook it, click it, post it on Easy Food with DG. If you still haven't subscribed onto my YouTube channel, kindly do so. See you!